Guys, it's so easy to make money online using surveys, especially with platforms like this one, FreeCash. FreeCash has hundreds of different surveys that appear every day that you can complete and instantly cash out. There's no waiting for the cash out. It takes less than 10 minutes after a survey is completed for you to be able to cash out. You can cash out to any of these options like a gift card, directly to your bank, or any crypto. When you first sign up for FreeCash using my link in the description, you get a free $10. And once you install your first app, you'll be able to unlock that offer. Then you can go forward with actually completing some surveys. When you first log in, it's going to give you a couple of them for $2 each. Just complete those ones, and then you'll unlock a larger library of surveys once your account level gets high enough as well. So now I'm just going to walk you through one of the surveys I just completed. As you can see in the thumbnail, this is the one that I just completed, and I just took a screenshot of it for the thumbnail. But it was $3, and it took me less than 10 minutes to do. You just have to select the right options to be qualified for the survey and know exactly what they're looking for. And you could see it based on the questions that they ask and what they actually want to hear from you, so you don't get disqualified from them. That's the biggest problem with online surveys, is getting disqualified for the survey. So just make sure you follow it and pay attention, because sometimes they throw in trick questions to make sure you're paying attention, and those will automatically disqualify you. After you complete the survey like this right here, you usually get a reward wheel that you could do to get an extra couple cents after the survey is completed. That's after you earn for the first time of the day. You get that every single day if you earn any money on FreeCash. So like I said, go ahead and sign up for FreeCash if you haven't already using my link in the description. You'll get a free $10 once you install your first app. You don't even need to play it or do the actual offer. All you have to do is just sign up, install the app, and you'll unlock the $10, and then you have to earn, I think, 10 more to cash out. Once you install your first app, claim the $10, do a couple surveys, you'll cash out in less than 1 hour, $20 if you sign up using my link down below. And that $10 bonus is for a limited time, so make sure you take advantage of that while it still lasts.